Hey guys, welcome to Smartphonefan, and today we got another edition from the Redmagic. It's the Pro edition. Actually, it's not only Pro, it's the special edition. It's transparent edition of the Redmagic 7 Pro. And first, let's see the box. It's also use the same box like the Redmagic 7, and it's the special design box. You can see their name here, and it's the logo, a lot of cartoon characters and a lot of gaming characters here, and it's unique. It used a lot of cartoon element in front of the box. And today we have the 7 Pro and the transparent edition, and today we will see the final appearance of the special edition and the Pro edition. What it will be. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, unbox. So this is the box. Let's put it aside. Also here, same. Okay, open the box inside the outside box. Stickers, instructions, verticals, and good quality transparent case. Let's see. Transparent case, yes. Okay, it's pure transparent and it's high quality. Yes, compared to normal, the low end. It's thick. Okay, this is what's inside this box. And okay, finally we see the smartphone itself. Okay, let's see what this will look. It's a smartphone. Okay, some QR code, you can scan it and you can follow them, get some gift package, and also you can follow their official account. Also their groups, you can join their groups, and I think they will put a lot of activities for the fans. Okay, here is the QR code card. This is the Type C to Type C cable, red color. Okay, this is the monster charger, 165-watt charger. Because both the 7 and 7 Pro, they have the same charger, but actually the charging speed and charging rate is not the same. For the normal 7, it's only have 120. But for the Pro, it's have the 165, so it's totally different. And also the charger is big. Yes, it's big. It's big. It's 165 watt. So big. Okay, this is what in the box, and let's see the smartphone. Okay, here, let's see what the transparent edition will look like. Wow, I will say it's totally different when I hold it in my hand. I can see the inside fans, inside processor, and inside cooling system name. Cooling system, yes. The special edition DAO. DAO. Yeah, DAO. The name of the special edition. The camera. Triple camera. Okay. Here I will also. So this is appearance. It's transparent. It's the most important, most attractive features of this smartphone. Because last time we unboxed the cyberpunk color. Here we can see blue, red, and a lot of colors. It's shining. It's like a lot of LED element in the back cover, and this time I think it's more pure. It's not here. It's pure gray, and here it's transparent. So it looks like more cooling, more cool. Yeah, more cool. And also, how to say? Also, low key. It's more low key for gaming phone. Actually, between these two models, I would choose this one. And also some special about the specifications. So this smartphone is also used the SD Snapdragon Generation 8 processor, and it also supports fully the most efficient PDDR5 and UFS 3.1. The screen is 6.8 inch AMOLED. Also, they have the UDC full display screen. Also, when you play games, it have the 500 Hz gaming. For the gaming, it also support dual system for the cooling. You can also see fans here, here two place. You can the heat here can go. Okay, I think I forget to let you know some main features about this gaming device. It's also used the 6.8 inch display screen. It's support is AMOLED 1080 high resolution, and also for the camera part is the main camera of this smartphone is 64 megapixel, and it also have 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel micro lens camera. So this is the camera. And for the front part, the front camera used on the screen display, on the screen camera. So it also have the 16 megapixel front camera. So both the real triple camera and the front camera is good. It can meet most of your daily life demands. So if it's focused on gaming, it's game design, and the most of features that focus on gaming and to improve the game experience. But of course, the normal part they will also improve it as well. Also for the battery, is same like the 7 Pro 7. It is 5,000 mAh big battery, and it also supports very fast charging, as I mentioned before. Also, the RAM and ROM is also higher than the normal ones. This time we have the 12 plus 120, 28. For this model. Also, other things I think I forget is about the screen. Yes, the screen is support 120 Hz screen refresh rate, and for the touch it support 960 touch refresh screen. It's supported higher up to 600 unit for the screen bright. It also support DC adjust blind. It's also passed the SGS low certification. So for the screen, you don't need to worry, because it's good. When you play games, you need hand it in your hold, and you will watch the screen for a long time. So of course, if you provide a very high-end, very user-friendly screen for you, so no need to worry about this. Also, for the better part is before I show you the 165 big charger. So normally 50 minutes it can charge the 5,000 battery from there to 100. So it's also very awesome function for the smartphone. Okay, I think this is the main part. I think I also add some other informations I don't mention before. So I hope you can know more about this smartphone, and I hope maybe you can experience it or buy one for your for your daily life, for your gaming experience. And I hope you like my video and like these models. And thanks for watching. And let's stay tuned and waiting for more cool and new gadgets from here. And thanks for watching. Bye bye again. Bye bye.